This is 5.4a of algebra. So we're looking at another kind of equation. It's called the point-slope form. So it's for a linear equation again, just like our slope-intercept form was. But now this is an equation that uses one point and the slope. So here's our equation here. The stuff you see in black is the stuff that's going to stay there. So you see that y minus, that's going to be in your final equation. The equal sign will be in your final equation. And the parentheses with the x minus will be in your final equation. So you're replacing the y1, the m, and the x1. Everything else will stay. So, let me write our equation again. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So a line passes through 8, -4, and has a slope of 2/3. So slope, remember, is our m, so m is 2/3. And then I'll label this point x1, y1. And then I just need to plug them in. Y minus my y1 is -4. So minus -4 equals, my m is 2/3. X minus my x1 is 8. And then since I've got two negatives, or minus a negative, I'm going to change this up, make it look nicer, simplify it, to change it into a plus sign. And that right there would be my final equation. I don't need to do anything else to it. It can stay just like that. Okay, graphing. So how we're going to graph is we're going to figure out the point that it goes through, and we'll graph that point. And then we're going to move with our slope. So I'll write my equation up here. So it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And this is one where I think it really helps to match things up. So my y's match up. Here's a problem. My plus and my minus do not match up. Right? So instead of having this plus sign down here, I'm going to change this into minus a negative. So these minus signs match up. And so that means my y1 matches up with this -7. Right? Can you see my negative sign? We'll move it up maybe. So y1 equals -7. My equals match up. Here's my m. So my m is -4/5. My x's match up, my minuses match up, and my x1 is 4. So I'm going to put my x1 and my y1 together to make a point. X1, y1. So I get the point 4, -7. So let me switch back to my black, and I'm going to draw my graph in here. Let's go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think we got enough room. So I'm going to go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then I got to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, just fit it. So there's my point, 4, -7. And then I'm going to move with my slope. I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll connect them. And there's my graph. And there's your homework.